The Biodiversity Monitoring and Conservation with MAPOG project aims to preserve forest ecosystems through sustainable methods that balance resource usage and biodiversity preservation. A comprehensive output map is created using the MAPOG tool, dividing protected areas into manageable sections. Let's move on to the process. Navigate yourself to Map Analysis. Click Add Upload to click Add GIS Data. Search for protected area of your desired country and add that layer. To save the project, click the pencil icon that appears immediately after the text Untitled Map. Enter a correct name and description for the project in the dialog box. Then select the Save Map option. Now we will use Clip Polygon for precise and detailed analysis. Click on Process Data, then Clip Tool. Provide the protected layer in selected data and click on the icon to start clipping. After that, click on Submit and go to the New Layers action button to rename the layer for better understanding. To enhance visualization, click on Style Data. Press Category Style Data. Provide protected area and select preferable attribute. Set color and opacity, then save the style. To divide the area in manageable section, click on Process Data, then Create Grid. Select the protected area. Set the range as 5,000 meters and submit. For better visualization, click on Basic Style by clicking Style Data. Select the new grid layer and set the opacity to 0 and save the style. That way we can easily able to see the layers underneath it. The division of the protected area into manageable sections facilitated systematic monitoring and conservation activities, enhancing data collection accuracy and enabling focused conservation strategies tailored to specific ecological zones. This approach likely contributed to more effective biodiversity preservation within the area. This map is an effective tool for environmental conservation organizations, government agencies, ecotourism and hospitality sector and beyond. Thanks for joining this comprehensive guide. Got queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com.